All right. Key shell replacement. Okay. Let's remove this. This is for a 2012 Toyota Camry SE. I'm sure the key is pretty much the same, or if you have this type of key model. Ooh. All right. The switcher is broken. Otherwise, the key fob is okay. All right, let's see here. Okay. So this is on Amazon, 4-button remote. 4-button remote. All right. Wow. Whoever packaged this did an amazing job. All right, here you go. New key fob cover. So looks identical, other than the fact of the Toyota emblem. Even comes with a spare key. Okay, won't be using this. All right. Okay, how you would do this is stick it in here. See the little ridge where the key was? That's where you stick it. Give it a little twist. Opens it up. Okay. I like to set everything in order. This is the new one. This is the old one. Okay. So pretty much everything here is gonna be the same. You can remove this if you like. Now, and this is the new. What you need to do is gently pry this out. There are clips right here. Maybe you can see that right there. Okay. There you go. All I did was press on it and it came off. Take this. You look, it looks like it has the slots for these. Just want to make sure. Okay, the openings are okay. And sorry about that. All right, let's see if this. Okay, see here. Okay, hold, snap, snap, snap. Good. See here. Lights up. Now, it's the original key. Man, let's do this. You know what? Yeah, let's cut this. All right. Man, this is to keep it secure, huh? There you go. All right, let's test this first. There you go, key, and perfect. Push. Push. Good. Repair is done. Let's kind of clean this up. You got it. Yeah. 2012 Toyota Camry. May fit other years. I think it goes up to 2016 or so. You have to verify. But yeah, this is the key fob cover replacement, or either one that's damaged or you basically lost the buttons or so. Okay. Other than that, yeah, hope you guys like it. All right.